It all started as a disturbance call around 2 a.m. on June 23, 2023, at an apartment complex on the far southwest side. Chief William McManus said firefighters first arrived to the apartment of Melissa Perez, who was allegedly destroying a fire alarm. They then called police officers for help. At first, all that was said was during her interaction with police, Perez did something that threatened the officers, resulting in them firing shots and killing her. Body cam footage would later give us all a closer look to what happened. The edited body camera footage released shows when officers asked her to walk toward them, she says no and goes into her apartment. Officers are then seen on her balcony. Her window is open and officers remove the screen. Perez can be seen trying to close the window and telling them to stop. More yelling can be heard between Perez and the officers, and then she can be seen holding a hammer, and that is when guns are raised at her. Then officers are heard yelling, "Watch out," and gunshots erupted. Chief McManus would later announce that Perez was having a mental health crisis and that Sergeant Alfred Flores, Officer Elizar Alejandro, and Officer Nathaniel Villalobos had been arrested.
The shooting officer's actions were not consistent with SAPD's policy and training, and they placed themselves in a situation where they used deadly force, which was not reasonable given all the circumstances that as we now understand them.
The three officers were charged and later indicted, Flores and Alejandro with murder, Villalobos with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Perez's daughter, Alexis Tovar, released a statement to ABC News saying in part, "We've always been a pro-police family. This breaks my heart." Tovar later appeared on Good Morning America stating how she wanted to prevent something like this from happening again.
She didn't deserve this.
Earlier this year, the trial date was set for jury selection on October 9th, with opening and testimony to begin on the 10th. This trial will look different as all three will be tried at the same time, and each having their own attorneys to question witnesses and present their cases. And you can catch all of this live on our open court live stream. You could see it on KSAT.com, KSAT Plus, and KSAT's YouTube page.
Flores and Alejandro face up to life in prison if found guilty, and Villalobos faces up to 20 years in prison if convicted. Erica Hernandez, KSAT 12 News.